Let me teach you a valuable lesson about crypto. This has created multi-millionaires. It's actually one of the only things that matters in crypto, and that is being early. Here's a classic example I like to show on QNT. If you zoom out on the QNT chart, and this goes for a lot of other altcoins, you will see that it has been a steady rise from 25 cents all the way up to $66 where it's at now. Now you have to put this chart on the logarithmic scale. This shows you how minuscule the ups and downs in between actually are. So it smooths out the chart based on the logarithmic scale. Now, essentially what this is showing us is that if we were paying attention in 2018 when Quant was at 25 cents, we could have simply bought it then and held it until now, and you'd be absolutely rich, just pure rich, depending on how much you put in. Because some people probably put in just $100 in 2018, and that's still worth like 3,000 or something crazy today. But we want to hit those big ones with our biggest bag. So imagine you put in 10, 50K, 100K in at that 0.25. And so what is the answer here? Like, how would someone have actually got in that early? Well, you either become a established voice in the crypto space or a founder or someone with influence, and you get into investing in the early rounds of that. Or for the layman, like the regular dude in crypto, you just gotta be on alert on the new utility coin projects that are coming out, right? Because if I would have seen Quant, the launch of Quant, the announcement, the marketing, and been like, damn, this kind of looks good, I'm probably gonna buy within the first week and just hold this, right? The first week buyers of Quant, when it was on the public market, are rich if they held, right? If they didn't sell early. So obviously this is easier said than done. Like, of course, right? If it was this easy, everyone would just do it. The real thing here is preparing yourself and researching, right? You have to be sitting there really looking at every single new project coming out. Does it align with future narratives that you think are going to blow up? Is there some kind of actual value or unique value that this project has? Quant was extremely unique. And if I was paying attention to Quant in 2018 and I saw that come across my feed, I definitely would have invested. However, we got into Quant at $28, and that thing ripped to $400 at one point, or $355, and we absolutely cashed in, right? A lot of people hate on Quant, but they don't realize we already made our money with Quant. A lot of you guys, I have like 100+ screenshots of you guys cashing in when Quant was pumping over $300, right? Obviously it's doing horrible now, but this is when you buy, right? If you do your research, you like Quant, you think it has potential, you see the supply, you see the demand plus the limited supply, and that thing could rip. But this video really isn't about Quant. You can apply this to any altcoin. Look at any single altcoin, right? Any of them. Usually if you got in within the first week of it launching, even on the public market, you absolutely cashed in.